Hi guys, my name's Tricelle and I'm an adult dog collector, and today we're making some macarons. I'm using this air dry clay. I got it on sale at Walmart for like $3 and it is in the color white. So I'm going to take some acrylic paint and then color some of the clay so I can get it into like a raspberry color here. And then I am going to take a straw and then cut that so I can get even pieces for the macaron for our dolls. And then what I'm gonna do is take a contrasting color and add that once I have cut all the pieces and shape them with a pen tack, and then I'll air dry them, use a contrasting color in the middle of the macaron, and then air dry them, and then use some Mod Podge to just seal the macarons once they're completed, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna just let you guys take a look and see how I do it, and then we'll look at our macarons for our dolls. I also keep my clay in an airtight plastic bag while I'm working. So the macarons are dried. I've sealed them with Mod Podge. They look a little wonky, but it'll do. Okay, so now I am going to take a look at some Amazon chairs. Everything in this video is going to be $5 and below. With that being said, I did get these chairs for $18.99 off of Amazon, but I cashed in my swag bucks and got a $25 gift card, which made these items free. So I thought I'd put them in this video given that fact. And the chairs do come with multiple colors. There's 12 and there's 2 matching sets for each color. And now I'm putting together the yellow, and it's super cute. I like all the colors in each for all of the chairs. So here is the yellow, very vibrant and beautiful. And then I'm going to show you the red chairs. I do like those as well. I didn't put them all together. I just wanted to give you a glance of how they look because all of them are identical. And then here are all the remaining colors: the orange, purple, green, and blue. So here is how the dolls look in the chairs, and it is a good fit. I feel that it is compatible. So then I did purchase these 2 chairs from Temu. I purchased them a while ago and I just never showed them. I got each chair for $2.99, and they are black and plastic, and they fit the dolls very well. I do like them because they're very traditional and it looks really business oriented in my opinion. So I did get this retro refrigerator from Five Below. It was $5 and it's aqua in color. And I've seen a lot of people unbox this, so I thought I'd give it a try. So right out the bat, I dropped all the food items, but you see here it has the shelves on the door and then all the compartments inside of the refrigerator. And there is shelves on the freezer and compartments inside of the freezer part. So we have this Caesar salad container, and it is hollow on the inside there. And then we have a box of waffles, and then here is smoked bacon. It is plastic. And soda pop, it is hollow on the inside. And then we also have a cheese wedge, which also is hollow. And then we have a container of ice cream. Here is a container of milk. It is hollow and my sticker is a little offset there. Have some butter. And then here is a water bottle that is also hollow. And then we have a bag of apples that is plastic and very thin. Here are some popsicles that are in a plastic container, a carton of eggs. And then we have plastic grapes and a head of lettuce that's also plastic. And here's the container that it goes into, and it fits in the refrigerator really nice. And then here's how all of the items look inside of the refrigerator. And then here is all the items that go inside of the freezer. I think this is a really cute find for $5. It is a little short or small for our 1/6 scale dolls. It would be more like a mini refrigerator, but it could be really good item for like a 1/12 scale doll, like a Barbie extra mini or extra mini, I should say. And I did get this teeny tiny Smarties candy set. I thought it was really cute. I like candy, so I figured my dolls would too. And so it does come here with all of the items. It has a display stand or a shelving unit. And I didn't put the shelf all the way together because that's not something I'm going to use. But here is the candy packs, and you do get bags of candy. They're very thin. So there you have the sour and then tropical and then original flavor. And it's super cute. It's just a little thin. I think it's adorable though. I think it really works. And then we have a container of some Smarties and original flavor, and also in a container of, it's called lollies. And then there's also another bag of Smarties here. And then we have a box of Smarties with a display case. And then we also have these teeny tiny little individual Smarties that I think is super cute. And here is the playset overall, and I really think it's cute. And now I did get these Hello Kitty skateboards for $3.25 at Five Below. And I also got Spider-Man as well. I think these would be really cute for our dolls. So here are the Hello Kitty skateboards out of the packaging. The front or the top of the skateboard feels like sandpaper, and then the decal is on the back. There is one that is plain, but there are some stickers so you can decorate it if you like. And so then I'm going to show you how it looks with the doll, and I think it's adorable. She looks totally cute. And then I got this fingerboard set. It's a Tony Hawk edition. It was clearance at Walmart for $4.97. And I heard that Ken dolls can fit the shoes, so that's why I got it. And I do love all the vibrant colors of the shoes and the skateboards. So first we have the orange, and then there's the blue, and then we have the yellow, and then my very favorite is the hot pink one with the decal. Is totally awesome and cute. And then here are the shoes. They have an opening so it can fit across the skateboard, and you can fingerboard in that manner. Here is how the blue shoes look with the Ken doll. And then the yellow, they are a little tight, but it's a light enough stretch where it works for your dolls, in my opinion. I did get this fashion pack from Walmart. It was $5.99, but it had an instant dollar cash back on the app when I purchased, so that I ended up paying $4.99 for it. So it does qualify since it is $5 and below. This fashion pack for $4.97. So we're gonna try it on the dolls. Here is this two-piece Hair Amazing fashion pack, and you see the straps are ribbon and the skirt here. Both of the pieces do Velcro in the back, and then I did pair it with the included blue heels. Now normally they really don't fit, but it looks cute on the dolls, and I figure you could get away with it. And here is how the dolls look, or the doll looks with the coat on. So here is the Barbie fashion pack, and my Curvy is wearing the t-shirt dress that says Girl Power with the yellow lightning bolt, and I love the blue vibrant colors. I did pair it with the Hair Amazing shoes for the Curvy, and it really works. The shoes are not coming off. It looks so cute with the doll, and she does have the sunglasses on. And then on the original Barbie, you have the checkered outfit, the two-piece with the skirt and the shirt, and I paired it with the included purple boots. And this outfit, these outfits are so vibrant and beautiful, like they scream summertime in my opinion. Here is how it looks in the back. The t-shirt dress Velcros, and the skirt and the shirt also Velcros in the back. So I purchased these tiny TV classic TVs, Big Bang Theory and Bob's Burger. That one was $4.73, and then the other was $4.07. But guys, these TVs did not work. I tried and tried, they did not work. I contacted Walmart, I ordered them online, and I did a return online, and they just sent me an email saying to keep them or donate them or discard them, and refunded my money. So I purchased this wish doll at Walmart for $2.90. She's adorable. She has molded braids on the side, and then the other braids are rooted across her hair. You could give her a boil rinse so they lay a little bit straighter. And then her dress has printed details on it, and there is a belt that is plastic. And then she also has plastic purple shoes with a plastic ankle charm on her leg, which is cute. And I'm really happy with this purchase. Her dress does Velcro in the back. And since I have a wish doll, I want my doll to also have the Asha wish doll. So I did get this pack here for $3.43. And it comes with all of these figures here. So you do get 9 different characters, and all of them do have hip articulation, and this particular doll can move at the arm there. And then you do, like I said, you get the 9 different characters, and I haven't seen the movie, so I'm not familiar with all of them. I just really wanted to get this pack so I can get the Asha doll and the Wish figure. So now my doll will have an Asha too. So I had found this Mini Brands capsule for half off, so I'm gonna unbox it because it is under $5. And opening up the capsule, I noticed that this is the new one because it has bookshelves. And then here is the collector's guide. I have unboxed these on my channel many times, so I'm sure you guys are familiar. And then there is the bookshelf. And so opening it up, I noticed that we do get a magnifying glass, which is really cool, and a double. I have Matilda again. And then in the next bag, open it up, and another double, the Babysitter's Club. And then finally, this is not a double, Alice Adventure in Wonderland. So I was really happy about that. This is my last item, guys, I promise. I found this Rainbow High accessory pack for $1 at Walmart. Now open it up, the accessories that are included is like a receipt and a tag, which I don't think is a real accessory, but you do get this dust cover to protect your bags. And I do like the color lime green. It is pretty. So let's just open it up to see what we get. And I really like this bag. It's so pretty. It looks beautiful, that beautiful lime green color. And here it is on my doll, looking fabulous. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'm at Mama Doll Boss, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope each of you have a super fantastic day. Bye.